This video is going to show you how to install Pruvan on your Android device. Keep in mind that there's different devices out there, so your device might not look exactly like the menus that you see in this video, but they're going to be very similar. Also, as we change our Pruvan setup and the questions that are asked, those also might differ from what you see here, but the general principles are always going to apply. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to find the Google Play Store. It looks like this icon right here. It's going to be in your app drawer or on the home screen of your device, and you're going to click on it once. Next, you're going to go to the top next to the magnifying glass, and you're going to type in the word Pruvan, P-R-U-V-A-N. You're going to hit enter or click the magnifying glass like down here in the bottom right. From the list of results, you're going to select Pruvan Mobile. You can tell that you're selecting the correct app by verifying that the icon looks like this one right here. Click on that once. After you click on the correct Pruvan mobile app, you'll be given an option to install it. Click on the install button once. Then it will begin to download as shown here and install. After it has installed, which may take anywhere from 30 seconds to 5 minutes depending on your connection speed, you're going to click the open button once. You may see a menu similar to this. If you do, just click the accept or OK or yes button. Next, the Pruvan program is going to prompt you to select a nickname from your device. This can be anything that you would like. It's only for your personal use. For example, in here I'm just going to click on this blank field, type in the word training, and click the button save once. Now you're at the login screen for Pruvan, so we're going to enter our username and password, but we're not going to log in yet. Keep in mind also that this user ID and password are not the same as your user ID and password for your Northsite web portal. So you enter your user ID, hit next, you enter your password here, hit done. Then again, before we log in, we're actually going to check something somewhere else. This is something that you need to check every time your device is turned off and turned back on. A common example would be if your battery goes dead and you have to open the program up again. Before you log in, you want to check this each time. In the upper right hand corner is the settings menu shown right here. Click on this once. You may see a menu similar to this. Just click Don't Show again. After that, we're going to check the timestamp on Photos section. We're going to click next to this one time. It will open up a menu, and what we're looking for is this feature at the bottom that says off. We want to make sure that this circle right here is filled in. So if it is not, click on it once until it looks like you see right here, and after you've clicked on it, it will disappear, bring you back to this menu. Now you can do one of two things to go back to the login screen. You can either hit the back button on your phone, or you can also hit this button up here in the upper right hand corner. Now you're back at the login screen. It's still saved your user ID and password. You click the login button once, and now you're actually in the Pruvan application and you're able to see all of your open orders. Notice here that there's a certain variety of information displayed for each order. You can see your Northsite order number. You can see the status of the order. This will typically say assigned or completed. You can see the street address, the city, state, and the zip code. You can see the order type. This will typically be grass recut or initial grass cut. And then you can also see the schedule date right here. And keep in mind you can scroll up and down to view different orders. Something to keep in mind too is that if you do ever have to exit the program or your device loses power and it turns off and you have to turn it back on, in order to reopen the program, you simply need to go in your app drawer or your home screen and locate the Pruvan icon. It'll look something very similar to this, and you simply click on it once and follow those same steps and log in to see your orders again.